up, baby. Payment history.
Oh, you're right. No, he's totally right. I busted that. Damn.
It's like
that's
good.
good.
Yeah. It's a sweep,
bro.
It's a sweep.
Oh my god, bro. This is not a good song.
I committed the sweep.
I thought I did. I think that's the second most important. Yeah, I'm gonna need them, bro. I'll come back.
It's a sweep.
I'll come back in the
4-0.
late.
4-0. There ain't no LeBron here, baby. Wait, are we introducing ourselves? So what am I? Am I a student? What'd you say? You're a project engineer?
Hello, my name is Slim Watson.
I didn't know what I am. Okay. What's up, everyone? My name is Khyree Watson. I'm a AKA Slim Watson. I'm a product engineer. I'm not. I'm not. Yeah. I'm a data engineer. What's up? What's up, everyone? My name is Khyree Watson. I'm a design engineer.
My name is Leoul Zekarias, and I'm a marketing specialist, and we're gonna play a quiz on financial literacy.
Yep, we got 7 questions. We got 10 seconds to answer each question, so let's see how it goes.
Let's do it.
How many months of expenses should you have saved for an emergency savings fund?
Hold on. Oh, that's Khyree. That's Khyree.
Come on!
What? Yeah. No way! 6 months rent. That is like baseline. No way.
3 to 6.
I'm gonna push back.
Call it Empire. Call the coach.
Wait, did you put 3, 2, 6?
3 to 6.
Hey, wait. What's the question? One more time.
How many months of expenses should you have saved for an emergency?
3 to 6.
Wait. I have a clarification question.
Whose side do you want?
Then you save more. 6 months right here because this is for an emergency.
What's on the air?
Yeah, come on. It's
Bring
gotta
it.
be me. It's gotta be me.
Bring in the coach. Bring him in.
So the general rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months saved. However, if you can save more, you should save more. So 6 months is better. Not the right answer.
Oh, come on. I don't like that qualifier. We're gonna cut that out, bro.
All right. When it comes to non-essentials, what do college students spend the most money on?
Oof. How do you spell this word?
Khyree actually got it.
Is it really? Is it really just alcohol? Yeah. He's on it,
I'm
bro.
off the court. I'm off the court.
I wrote discretionary, so like I was thinking alcohol, food. That's clean, bro. That's clean. That's clean. God, man.
Hey, Obi, you brought me here to get flames, huh?
Man, this fool,
you brought me
yeah,
here to
he
get
thought it was
cooked.
gonna be easy money.
Come on, it's that bottle, baby.